Hi everyone, Angel Day here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, as requested by a lot of you, we're going to talk about my acne journey. And of course, I will also share here kung ano yung skincare na ginagamit ko, how I manage my acne, and of course, my current makeup routine. As you can see, I still have a lot of acne marks and I use makeup to conceal all of those. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yon, let me share first kung paano nag-start yung hormonal acne. So what happened was, I used to take birth control pills, which is Yaz. And super ganda nun sa skin ko, guys. As in, my skin was glowing, hindi ako nagkaka-acne masyado. But unfortunately, hindi siya hiyang sa akin because I was having migraines. And yung migraines ko, meron siyang aura. So yung aura is para siyang white, na parang clouds, na parang hazy yung paningin ko. And that is very dangerous daw when you're taking Yaz. Kasi may side effect si Yaz na blood clot sa brain. So kinausap ko yung OB-GYN ko about it. And that time, ayoko na kasi nagtitake ng gamot everyday kasi nakakaligtaan ko siya. So, she suggested na mag-switch kami to IUD. By the way, side note na rin, I was taking birth control pills because I have adenomyosis. It's required for me to take birth control para hindi lumalayo adenomyosis ko. And also, of course, to prevent pregnancy. So, I decided to get an IUD instead. Pero yung sa akin is hormonal IUD para nga dun sa adenomyosis ko. So, for the first few months na may hormonal IUD ako, I didn't feel anything. Wala akong side effects. As in, super okay yung skin ko. Hindi na ako nagkaka-migraine. Ang change lang na napansin ko is super hina na ng period ko. And then dumating yung time na hindi na ako nagkaka-periods at all. Which is a normal effect from the hormonal IUD. And then a year passed, I had to take antibiotics for 6 months kasi nagkaroon ako ng lung surgery. And then after ko mag-antibiotics, dun ko na napansin na nagkaka-acne na ako, as in super dami. I have so much acne on my chin and then dito sa nose area and then nagkakaroon na rin ako sa cheeks. And these were cystic acne. As in, hindi lang siya yung acne na maliit lang. Yung mga acne ko nun, parang ganito, ayan. Pero madami. Malalaki siya na matigas. Sobrang frustrating that time. As in, hindi ko na alam yung gagawin ko. Akala ko nung una parang sa skincare lang siya. Baka kailangan ko lang magbago ng skincare. But months passed and ganun pa din. Ang dami ko pa rin cystic acne. So, lumapit na ako sa derma ko and also my OB-GYN about it. Kinonsult ko na sila. Kasi feeling ko kahit anong skincare na gamitin ko, kahit pang acne pa yan, hindi na talaga siya nag-work. I'm just going to share what worked for me, pero hindi ibig sabihin na nag-work yun sa akin, ay mag-work din yun sa inyo. So make sure to please consult your doctors. I first consulted Luminis about my problem and nagsuspetsa na sila na hormonal acne siya. So nag-visit na ako sa OB-GYN ko and I told her my concern. Sinabi ko sa kanya na pumunta na ako sa derma and they feel like it's hormonal acne. And according na nga rin sa OB-GYN ko, yes, it was hormonal acne. First na skincare product na pinagamit sa akin ng derma ko noon was Aclif. But unfortunately, it was too strong for me. Sobrang drying sa face. And then she gave me spironolactone, 50 milligrams every day. Again, guys, these products were prescribed by a doctor. Hindi nyo siya basta-bastang pwedeng bilhin. And I don't recommend you to take it if hindi sinabi ng doktor na i-take nyo siya. So unfortunately, the Aclif and the 50 mg spironolactone didn't work on me. So dahil hindi nag-work yung Aclif and 50 milligrams na spironolactone, pinalitan ng derma yung skincare ko. So at night, ginagamit ko na is yung Epiduo. This is adapalene with benzoyl peroxide. Malakas din siya, so I pair it with a heavy moisturizer. For the heavy moisturizer that I use this one, the La Roche-Posay. So if you're looking for a heavy moisturizer, I highly recommend this one. And in the morning naman, actually hindi pa ako nagsi-skincare, so now is the perfect time to show you my skincare in the morning. It's super duper simple. I only use 3 skincare products in the morning: azelaic acid, a light moisturizer, and sunscreen. So I just apply it on my face like this, konti lang. After a few minutes, I apply my moisturizer. This is from Skintific. I like this. It's very lightweight. 1 pump is enough for the entire face. And for the last step, of course, is sunscreen. Super duper important. Gustong-gusto ko tong Anessa kasi no white cast and super lightweight on the face. By the way, YouTube shopping is now available. So all the products that I'm going to mention in this video, I will put them as tagged products here in this video para mas madali mag-add to cart and mag-check out. You can check out the lower left part of the screen for the tagged products. It took me 6 months to see a progress with my acne journey. So, hindi talaga siya overnight, guys. Hindi siya madali. So, now na medyo naging okay na yung skin ko, I've adjusted my makeup routine to, of course, conceal my acne marks. Of course, we're going to start with concealer. I have three concealers here that I use. Etong dalawa is high-end, may kamahalan, and this one is from a local brand. So kung may budget kayo at gusto nyo ng high-end na concealer, I definitely recommend this one from NARS. Eto mas heavy yung coverage because this one is a pot concealer. May kamahalan, pero in fairness, tumatagal siya kasi a little goes a long way. If you want a lighter concealer, meron din gantong version ng concealer si NARS. Pero kung hindi nyo afford ang NARS, this is a very good alternative. This is from Enigma. Actually, very comparable tong dalawang concealer na to when it comes to coverage and finish. So for my concealer today, I am going to use Enigma. This is in the shade Bisque. So I'm done applying my concealer, and as you can see, less visible na yung mga acne marks. I'm also gonna share with you other base products that I use. If I want something with more coverage, I use this Skintific cushion. This is in the shade Almond. If gusto ko ng more coverage and long-lasting, like for example, when I'm traveling, morning to night, nasa labas ako, I use this cushion. I also like this Glad to Glow cushion. I'm using the shade Custard. Ito for me, lighter coverage siya than the Skintific. And for events naman and panlaban na base, I use the Enigma Skin Production Liquid Foundation. This is in the shade Beige. Sabi ng derma ko, it's better to lessen the use of cream products kasi usually daw nakakakos yun ng acne. So for me, the only cream product that I use is concealer. So for my base powder, I use the Sunny's Face Skin So Good powder. This is in the shade Cassava. I use this brush from Dala. Sobrang gusto ko to kasi double-ended na siya. So perfect when you're traveling. For my contour, I use this from Get Ready With Me. This is in the shade Mochaccino. Actually, guys, very basic lang naman tong makeup ko. I'm not a professional, like I always say. And then for my blush, I use this from Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Hollywood Blush and Glow Glide palette. Very fresh lang siya. And then for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills in medium brown. Actually, sobrang gulo ng brows ko ngayon. Kailangan ko na siyang ipa-wax. For the lips, may dalawang products akong ginagamit ngayon. Sunny's Hydrating Lip Tint in the shade Punch. Pero pag gusto ko ng medyo mas darker, etong Romand Juicy Lasting Tint in the shade 05. To be honest, mas lamang pa rin sa akin tong Sunny's kasi mas lightweight siya sa lips, mas hydrating, and mas maganda yung shade. Actually, paubos na nga ata to. To finish the look, I'm going to use a setting spray. This one is from L'Oreal. Super ganda nito. As in, if you're oily skin and mabilis kayong mahulas, super nice na to. Ang ayoko lang dito, amoy hairspray siya, but it really works. So there you go. This is my usual everyday makeup, and this is how I conceal my acne marks. Alam ko marami sa inyo na ganito rin yung pinagdadaanan, and it can get very frustrating at times, but with the right guidance and a lot of patience, it will eventually get better. So there you go. That ends our video. And as I've mentioned earlier, meron na pong YouTube shopping, and you can easily add to cart and check out the products that I've mentioned in this video. Just look at the lower left part of the video to see the skincare and makeup products that I use. So if you have any questions, just comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye!